Introduction to mangroves. Mangroves are unique coastal ecosystems found at the interface between land and sea, characterized by their salt-tolerant trees and shrubs. These ecosystems thrive in tropical and subtropical regions, where they play a crucial role in coastal protection. Mangroves provide a range of ecological, economic, and social benefits that are vital for maintaining healthy coastal environments. Coastal erosion control. One of the primary roles of mangroves in coastal protection is their ability to control erosion. The complex root systems of mangrove trees, which include stilt roots, prop roots, and knee roots, stabilize the shoreline by anchoring the soil. These roots help to absorb wave energy and reduce the impact of storm surges, preventing the loss of coastal land and protecting inland areas from erosion. Protection against storm surges. Mangroves act as natural barriers against storm surges and high waves. During storms and hurricanes, the dense vegetation of mangrove forests absorbs and dissipates the energy of the incoming waves. This reduces the intensity of storm surges and lessens their impact on coastal communities. By acting as a buffer, mangroves can prevent flooding and reduce the damage caused by extreme weather events. Sediment trapping and water quality improvement. The root systems of mangroves also play a key role in trapping sediments and improving water quality. As water flows through mangrove forests, the roots capture and hold sediments that might otherwise be carried out to sea. This sediment trapping reduces the turbidity of coastal waters, which benefits marine life by allowing sunlight to penetrate the water and promote the growth of seagrasses and coral reefs. Biodiversity hotspots. Mangroves are incredibly biodiverse ecosystems that support a wide variety of plant and animal species. They provide critical habitat for fish, birds, and other wildlife, many of which rely on mangroves for breeding, feeding, and shelter. By maintaining healthy mangrove forests, we help preserve these species and ensure the continued functioning of the coastal ecosystem. Carbon sequestration and climate regulation. Mangroves are highly effective at sequestering carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Their dense vegetation and rich organic soils store large amounts of carbon, which helps mitigate the effects of climate change. This carbon sequestration function makes mangroves an important component of global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Livelihood and economic benefits. Mangroves provide numerous economic benefits to coastal communities. They support fisheries by providing breeding and nursery grounds for many commercially important fish species. Mangrove forests also offer resources such as timber, honey, and traditional medicines. Additionally, they attract tourism, which can provide economic opportunities and raise awareness about the importance of coastal ecosystems. Resilience to climate change. Mangroves contribute to the resilience of coastal areas in the face of climate change. Their ability to mitigate erosion, protect against storm surges, and sequester carbon helps buffer communities from the impacts of rising sea levels and increased storm intensity. By preserving and restoring mangrove ecosystems, we enhance coastal resilience and support adaptation strategies for climate change. Conservation and restoration efforts. Despite their importance, mangrove ecosystems face significant threats from human activities, including deforestation, land conversion, and pollution. Conservation and restoration efforts are essential to protect these vital ecosystems. Initiatives such as reforestation projects, sustainable management practices, and legal protections help to safeguard mangrove forests and ensure their continued benefits for coastal protection and biodiversity. Conclusion. Mangroves play a critical role in coastal protection by preventing erosion, mitigating storm surges, and improving water quality. Their diverse functions also contribute to biodiversity, carbon sequestration, and economic benefits for coastal communities. Protecting and restoring mangrove ecosystems is essential for maintaining their vital services and ensuring the resilience of coastal areas in the face of environmental challenges. By valuing and conserving mangroves, we support the health of our coastal environments and the well-being of the communities that depend on them.